Are you looking for the perfect mountain getaway where you can be up in the pines, have a little bit of snow in the winter, but you don't have time to take care of a big property? So you need something beautiful, turnkey, and low maintenance. Hi friends, Stacy Baxter here with Magnolia Homes. You aren't going to believe this gorgeous Shingletown home, and it's surrounded by other well-maintained houses, so you've got great neighbors to keep an eye on things when you're away. And when I say gorgeous Shingletown home, check out this beautifully updated kitchen. It's got newer stainless steel appliances, including a 5-burner gas range, and there's even a breakfast bar perfect for Sunday morning waffles. This beautiful Shingletown retreat is nearly 1,500 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. And check out this beautiful primary suite. It's got vaulted ceilings and great natural light, creating such a feeling of space. You'll love the dual closets and the slider out to the beautiful woodsy backyard. And the attached ensuite bathroom has a dual sink vanity. And being up in the pines doesn't mean you have to give up your creature comforts. You'll love that this home has central heat and air, dual pane windows, beautiful LVP flooring throughout the main spaces, and Starlink is available, so you've got fast internet if you need to work from home. And not to be overlooked are the indoor laundry room and attached 2-car garage. So whether you're looking to put down new roots or for a home away from home, this property has you covered. Out back, you'll love this beautiful covered patio. It's got a great barbecue area, and you're surrounded by the beautiful, peaceful pines. Even though this lot is a ½ acre, it's perfectly low maintenance, it's fully fenced, and you've got these beautiful whispering pines. This is the perfect all seasons backyard because you've got the cooler temperatures up here in the summer, and year round, you've got a covered hot tub area and a built-in fire pit. I have a couple more surprises for you on this amazing property. You'll be happy to know that CALFIRE just inspected this property and gave it a perfect rating. And last but not least, the sellers are willing to let this home go furnished. What that means is that you get that beautiful barbecue setup, the hot tub, and all the furniture inside the house, making this the perfect turnkey move. Can you believe this gorgeous Shingletown property? I mean, it's got the modern amenities, it's got the cozy vibe, low maintenance property, it's coming fully furnished, it's got all your modern creature comforts like even Starlink. Go ahead and pinch yourself because this one's not too good to be true. Your mountain retreat is waiting and we would love to show you in person. So call me, Stacy Baxter, my Magnolia team at 530-209-1716. Because it's your life and it's your story. We're just trying to help you find a low maintenance mountain retreat to tell it in.